This has got to be the weirdest gadget that I've had on the show in a very long time. First off, you look at this thing and you're like, okay, that's nuts. The caliber of the printout here is a bit suspect. Then you look at the name, you're like, S-Pen. Well, isn't that a thing that Samsung puts inside of the Note series? Well, those are numbers. Those are buttons. It looks like a phone. That's because it is a phone. And now you're just in banana land. What's going on? Sync contacts, music, voice changer, a micro SIM, and it can store 500 contacts. So different and so weird. What? First thing you see is the SIM tool and some plastic with nothing in it. A very short micro USB cable, no power brick. No power brick. How much does this cost, Will? Does this have a price? Will's telling me to be nice because this is a prototype, and so that's fair. Okay, fine. It's a prototype. It's still on Kickstarter currently. Will's starting to feel bad right now. Will, do you feel the need to come on camera right now to rectify the situation? I'll hear you out. They'll hear you out. What do you got?
So it's still a prototype, but all the features are there. It's got some pretty cool things, man.
Oh. Somebody's padding Will's wallet again. Go on.
It's so loud.
Go on.
This thing has a dual camera. It has a laser pointer, a voice recorder, a radio.
Okay, so you recommend that everybody that's watching this go buy this right now?
It actually starts at 50 bucks, which is not bad.
So this is Will Do's official recommendation, official selection.
Well, I wouldn't say that, but you know.
Yeah, Will, it's still in the package and you're already selling it.
I'm just saying what it has.
But nonetheless, it's still bananas, admit that.
Oh yeah.
50 bucks is something I feel like I could have as a novelty without feeling too guilty.
Yeah.
Oh. I'm just going like this now.
There you go.
Trending. You know what? Yeah, okay. It works. An S-Pen instead of my S-Pen. Everyday carry or what? EDC, baby.
There you go.
Wow, that's hard to imagine. There's the camera right there. Is that a headphone jack?
Seems like it, eh? That looks like a laser pointer, right?
Ah, that's the laser pointer. What do you think your buddy Tim would think of this? Huh? Must be a fat wallet you're sitting on. Screen powering up, Zanco. Menu, this will be your menu. Oh, you know what? The nav here is not bad. Hilly, Jack.
Oh, that's me. A pen.
It's hilly time. Selfie time. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Not enough memory.
Oh, okay. Good.
I don't know why I'm kind of into this.
Yeah.
Should I put my SIM card in here? You didn't think I would. There's a SIM card slot. Here we go. Guaranteed in the comments, Lou, you should use that exclusively. You ever been to Funky Town? Well, what's your phone number?
416.
So it has the voice changers. We've seen this in phones before.
Oh, yeah, I can hear you now.
What?
Something funny, Will?
You sound like a...
Do I sound funny? Do I make you laugh?
Well, I mean, you're filled with helium there.
Do I strike you as a joker?
You kind of sound like Goodfellas, Joe Pesci.
That's what I was going for. I was going for.
Tyson on this one. I'm gonna need $1,400 unmarked bills. You're gonna need to bring that to the convenience store on 5th Avenue at 423 p.m. When you get to the location, I want you to drop the money. Pull your pants down.
Hey.
Well, this one you sound kind of like a Valley girl.
Hey, Willie. A Willie doo-doo. Hoodoo, a Willie doo-doo. We're gonna go on a shopping spree today. You're gonna take me out, okay? Bring your wallet. Remember you told me I was your dream girl. Well, dream girl costs money. Dream girl costs money. Hit it!
This is kind of fun. I don't know.
That's very loud.
I don't know. Willie?
Yeah.
Hilly? Hilly?
Would you use this?
No.
You wouldn't use this?
For what? Are you crazy, man? Like, I'm gonna carry this thing around plus that thing. Where do I put this? This should be their Kickstarter right here. The nav is surprisingly decent. It's better actually than I expected to move around the little tiny interface there. The cameras, I don't know who's gonna use that. The fact that it can act as a Bluetooth dialer, like you can hook it up to your smartphone and not pull the SIM card out, that's kind of cool as well. But you know, it's a novelty thing. It's a bit of fun. Will, you gotta have a bit of fun.
Yeah, I don't get that much nowadays.
Fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. I know, I heard the last phone call you had with that girl that you met. Sounds like a nightmare.
Dream girl on free!
It's a bit imaginative, but from a practicality standpoint,
There's just a lot of features that probably no one, or not a lot of people would use.
there's a lot in there. Okay, so you're buying one.
I mean, they gave me a few already, so. No. Can we just end off with this shot here? What's up, Alex?